friends, welcome back to my channel Manvita Biraj. Friends, today I am going to give the information of the topic algebraic expressions part 3 question number 7. In the last video I taught you about the question number 6. In this video I am going to solve question number 7. Before talking about the algebraic expressions, friends, please like my videos and share my videos. Let's begin. First, the question is like this: AB minus 4A and 4B minus AB and 4A minus 4B. So, I am going to show how to solve this. First, I said that we are going to make it into the parts by the brackets. So, there are two commas between the expressions and we are going to divide it into the three parts. If there is one comma, we are going to divide it into two parts. 1 means 2 and 2 comma means 3, 3 means 4, like that extra parts will be there. So first we are going to divide into the three parts, and the first expression in the bracket is AB minus 4A. So AB minus 4A bracket. Here if any mathematical operation is not there in any variables or constants, it is considered as plus. If there is minus, it should be minus only. We should not put plus there. While taking brackets, we should put plus compulsorily. So plus, and the second expressions 4b minus ab and bracket and plus and open bracket, and third expression is 4a plus 4b. So this is how to divide it into the parts by the brackets. So the next method is we are going to write it in a common way by removing the commas and also the brackets. So here is equal to, as it is common, without this brackets we should write. So AB minus 4A and plus 4B minus AB and plus 4A minus 4B. So like this in a common way we are going to write. Now we are going to write it in the like terms. Like terms means the Doubtnut app. Get the solution which you want, click the question and crop the question which you want and get the video solution in 5 seconds. And homeworks will be there: CBSE board, UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, MP and other state boards. And for class 6 to 12, IIT, JEE, Mains and Advanced NEET. And also the subjects physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. And it's for class 9 to 12th, and also live classes will be there, and also English medium and Hindi medium classes. So trusted by 3 crore plus students. Download now the Doubtnut app. The variable which is common in the constants, it is called as like. So here a variable is there, AB, and if the variable AB is there, we should write continuously the terms containing the same variable or a term. We should write same. So like I am going to take first AB. If you want, you can take 4A or 4B, etc. So I am going to take AB. Here AB is there. AB I am going to write, and any other AB containing is minus AB. If any variable before any mathematical operation is there, we should put that mathematical operation while writing it. Because if we remove it like AB only, I will write now. So how to solve it? Now it cannot be solved. So it should be written as minus AB only. Got it? So any other terms containing AB? No other terms. So if any variable or constant, if any variable not having the value for that, if only A is there, so what is the value for it? 1. So if any variable not having any constants, it is considered as 1. If minus a, minus 1, minus b, minus 1 and minus ab, it should be minus 1 only. Got it? Now, the next term I am going to take is minus 4a. Minus 4a and any other? Yes, plus 4a. So, there are no terms containing 4a. So, now I am going to take the next term, that is 4b. So, here plus 4b is there, we are going to write plus 4b. Here minus 4b is there, minus 4b. So, this is the way to write in a like terms. So, now I am going to write it in a common factors. Common factors means in the variable or constant, if there is a same variable or constant, first we are going to write as a common and then constants only we are going to write. So, here AB is there, we are going to take AB bracket. It is considered as the common factor here. So, AB value is 1. So, here AB means plus. So, AB means 1. Here minus AB means minus 1. Bracket, and it is considered as the common term. Here we should not write 1 AB because it is already considered as a common factor before only. Got it? So, we should write only the constants here. So, we are going to write now A. So, A is there, A bracket. Here minus 4 plus 4 is there. So, minus 4 plus 4. Only constants we are going to write because A is common here. And here B is there, B and plus 4 and minus 4. So, here also B is a common factors. While writing the common factors, we should not put the variables in the bracket. It is a wrong way to write. If here I said that plus 4 is also called as 4. But while doing the sums here, it should be written as plus 4 only. If we write only 4, by removing 4 like here, plus is there, plus 4a. So by removing plus 4a, it can be written as 4a, no? But it's wrong. Here we cannot solve this problem. It is a wrong way. So we should use plus 4a only, plus 4b, minus 4b. Like that only it should be while doing solving the sums. So here we have written it in the common factors now. Now I am going to write it in the common simplest way by solving this problem. Like as it is AB here and 1 minus 1 becomes 0 and here is that as it is A as a common and minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0 because here minus into plus becomes minus and 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So 0 and here B is that B and it is a common factor bracket and plus 4 minus 4 as it is 0 only as it is in the first sum in the common factor A. So here also 0 plus into minus minus 4 minus 4 0. Got it? So now we have written it in the common or in the simplest form in the common factors. So now we are going to identify the last answer. So AB into 0, 0. If anything is multiplied by 0, it should be 0 only. 2 into 0, 0. A into 0, 0. AB into 0, 0. 4A into 0, 0. 2A into 0, 0 only. It should not be written as 4A or AB. It should be 0 only. Everything is multiplied by 0. It is 0 only. So, A into 0, 0 and B into 0, 0. The last answer is 0. So, 0 is the answer for the question AB minus 4A and 4B minus AB and 4A minus 4B. Got it? So, this is the information of the topic algebraic expressions. So friends, please like my other videos and share my videos. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.